Happy Mother's Day, and award na rin kay Aaron to para sa kanyang first honor with the highest honor. High honors to. Sorry po. Okay. Yan na yan. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Aaron, this is for you. Love you. Yung lalaki. Hi. Hindi. Baka nasa loob na tayo. Kain tayo. Dinosaur. Lamb chop. Diba ay? Ay.